Good day, sir. I am Cadet John Mark M. Sardia, and I'm going to explain of what could be the application of IoT on the maritime sector. Now, the application of the Internet of Things or IoT in the maritime industry has the potential to revolutionize the operation, safety, and efficient across various sectors. By integrating sensors, connectivity, and data analytics, IoT can provide real-time insight and automation in the maritime activities, leading to cost savings and improved decision-making. Here's a breakdown of potential applications. Um, Fleet management, IoT-enabled sectors can be installed on ships to monitor engine performance, fuel consumption, temperature, and other crucial parameters. In real-time fleet, managers can use this data to optimize routes, schedules, and maintenance, and improve fuel efficiency, resulting in cost savings and reduced downtime. Safety and security. IoT devices such as cameras, motion sensors, and GPS trackers can enhance maritime security by monitoring for intruders, detecting unauthorized access, and providing real-time alert in case of emergency, such as piracy or accident. Additionally, IoT-enabled life jackets and buoys can transmit distress signals and location data to resource teams in case of man overboard incidents. Environmental monitoring. With growing concerns about maritime pollution and climate change, IoT sensors can be developed to monitor water quality, detect oil spills, measure air emissions, and track marine life. This data can help authorize enforce regulation, mitigate environmental damage, and support sustainable practice in the maritime industry. Now, port operations. IoT technologies can streamline port operation by optimizing containers handling, tracking cargo movement, and managing berth allocations. More efficiency. Automated cranes, RFID tags, and smart containers equipped with IoT sensors can reduce congestions, minimize delays, and improve overall port productivity. Now, navigation and collision avoidance. IoT-enabled navigation system can provide ships with real-time weather updates, sea conditions, and route optimization suggestions to ensure safety and efficient navigation. Collision avoidance system equipped with IoT sensors, radar, and AIS or automatic identification system can alert vessels of potential hazard and help prevent accidents at sea. Supply chain management. IoT application extend beyond the vessel to entire maritime supply chain, including shipping companies, port freights, forwarders, and logistics providers. By integrating IoT data with blockchain technology, stakeholders can track the movement of goods, verify their authenticity, and ensure transparency and accountability throughout the supply chains. Overall, the application of IoT in the maritime industry hold great promise for improving operational efficiency, enhancing safety and security, protecting the environment, and transforming the way goods are transported and managed at sea. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative solutions to emerge, further driving the digital transformation of the maritime sectors. And that's all, sir. Thank you.